Clustering algorithms play an important role in data analysis. These unsupervised learning, exploratory data analysis tools provide systems for knowledge discovery by categorizing data points into distinct groups based on shared characteristics. Clustering allows for the identification of relationships and trends that may be hard to see in the raw data. They facilitate more informed decision-making by systematically adding more understanding to complex and intricate datasets. In this short tutorial, we will cover the basics of 3 types of clustering algorithms: hierarchical, partitional, and density-based clustering models. We will begin by defining each of these categories. Next, we will dive into 10 different clustering algorithms, providing definitions, lectures on each algorithm, strengths of the algorithms, and Python code snippets for each. Type 1, Hierarchical clustering algorithms. There are 4 algorithms belongs to hierarchical clustering are Birch, Cure, Rock, and Chameleon. If you like such stuff, subscribe to my YouTube channel ITFO. Type 2, Partitional clustering algorithms. K-means, K-medoids, PAM, Clarence, and Isodata. Type 3, Density-based clustering algorithms. DBSCAN and DBSCAN.